Hi everyone, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do the swab in your nose and mouth for your test, because we're very aware that a lot of students are worried about this process. You maybe haven't had a test in the past year, and it's probably not one of the most comfortable things to do or nicest things to do, but I want to show you just how easy it is, because it's really, really important that as many of you have the test as possible to keep you safe, your peers safe, your friends, family, staff, everyone. And the more people have this test, the more aware we are of how the virus is spreading within the college potentially. So anyone with a positive test will be sent straight home. But it also means that it gives us the reassurance knowing that everybody in that classroom isn't carrying the virus according to the test on that day. And that's going to keep us all really, really safe. Please don't worry about it. We're here to help you, and we want you all to feel comfortable going through this process. The only thing you're going to have to do is swab your nose and mouth. So first of all, I just wanted to show you what the swab looks like. So you'll be given one of these. You will have washed your hands. I've just washed my hands before doing this. And you're going to take it out of its packet, and you can see it's just a bit like a normal cotton bud. And what you're going to need to make sure that you do is do your mouth first, because you don't want to do your nose first and then put it in your mouth. So you're going to need to try and get it as far back as you possibly can. So I'm going to do it in my mirror over here because I don't want you looking straight down my mouth, but hopefully you'll still be able to see me at the same time. So what you want to do, open your mouth, try and get as far back as you can. This virus lives in the nose and throat, hence why we've got to swab it. Not the most comfortable, but probably more tickly than anything, so not awful at all. Now I'm going to put it up both my nostrils, and I need to swirl it 10 times up there. So this is a really horrible thing for me to be doing with knowing how many people are going to watch this. So we're going to put it up our nose, and you want to go up until you feel slight resistance. Again, it's not uncomfortable, it's a little bit tickly. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Eyes are starting to water a little bit, so we're going to go straight up the other side. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and it's done. Not awful. Eyes are watering a little bit, but they're going to. Just put something up my nose. What will then happen is you will put your swab into a little bottle that looks similar to this. The one that I've actually been given to practice with today is a home test kit, which is a bit different to the lateral flow that you'll be doing. But what you'll then do is you'll put 6 drops of solution in, or the assistant will do it for you. You then need to make sure that your swab goes into the solution. You mix it round, you squeeze the sides of the little pot, and then you put the lid on, and it's got like a pipette on the end, and you're going to squeeze it onto what looks, the only thing I can think it's similar to is a pregnancy test. So you're going to squeeze it onto there, and it will tell you that you've put enough on, and you'll see the control line, and then that test will then be handed over to the assistant. If it is a positive test, do not worry. So many people have been in that situation. They will then make arrangements with you to get picked up or to make your own way home if you drive. Ideally, we don't want you going home on public transport because you've just tested positive on the lateral flow. So you'll then go home. You then need to make sure that you get one of these tests, one of the home tests, or you go to a testing centre, and you will be in isolation for 10 days. Then when you come back to college, you'll go through this again. But in all honesty, it's not awful at all. Please be reassured. You can see my eyes are a little bit watery from it, but that's all. It's not painful. it doesn't make you gag or anything like that. It felt a little bit strange up my nose, but we need to make sure that we remember that we have a duty of care for everyone. So we need to do this for each other. Anyway, we're really looking forward to seeing you. We can't wait. We're really excited. Everything's ready for you, and we will see you next week.